Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of Opencart Salesforce Connector. This is an amazing extension which integrates between Opencart and Salesforce. With the help of this extension, Opencart content gets synchronized with Salesforce to give a brand new picture. It helps to increase data integrity and real-time order synchronization to provide brilliant customer care services to desired level. If we talk about features, it helps to synchronize OpenCart categories to Salesforce CRM. Admin has option to synchronize categories as parent, child, and all categories. Synchronization of OpenCart products to Salesforce CRM. And admin can sync all products or the products will be enable option. So both the functionalities is available and synchronization of OpenCart orders to Salesforce and synchronization of OpenCart customers to Salesforce CRM. Admin can sync all customers or the enabled customers as well. Auto synchronization of products, categories, orders, and customers is available. It has option to select the concerned folder from the Salesforce in which you can store the images of the products and the categories, and also you can select the price book as per your requirement according to which you want to display the data at the Salesforce end. So this is all about the features. So first we need to install eShopsync for OpenCart from App Exchange into Salesforce org, and further we will install and configure OpenCart Salesforce Connector at OpenCart end. From the App Exchange, you need to search for eShopsync for OpenCart and hit enter. In the search results, you will find eShopsync for OpenCart. So you need to install it. So this is eShopsync for OpenCart. Click on Get It Now. It will ask to log in with your Salesforce credentials. Once you get logged in, it will ask to install in production or sandbox. So proceed accordingly. In the next page, it will provide information related to this package like package name, version and all. So go through it and check mark the terms and conditions and click on confirm and install. On the next page, it will ask for the login credentials again. So log in with your Salesforce credentials. Once you get logged in, you need to select install for all users and click on install, and it will complete the installation process, and it will redirect you to this page of Salesforce with the installed package information. Here you can find the package that you have installed, that is eShopsync for OpenCart. You need to click on view components and search for custom fields. It will mark all the custom fields available over here. So you need to click on the first one, and you need to update the field accessibility. So as it is editable now, so you need to verify like for all the custom fields, the field accessibility should be editable for all the custom fields available and created by this package. So now let's proceed to install the OpenCart connector at OpenCart end. So now as we are in the admin panel, we need to click on extension installer and click on upload and select the file, XML file from the desktop location. So you need to upload this OpenCart connector or CMD file. You will get this file once you purchase this connector from the store, and you can upload it accordingly. So click on open. Once it gets successfully installed, then you need to switch to FTP location and you need to select admin, catalog, system and WK Salesforce. And you need to open the root folder in which your Opencart is installed, and you need to upload these four folders in the root folders. So once you upload all the four folders, then you need to switch to admin panel and click on extension and click on extensions in the option, and from this drop down go to modules, scroll it down, and here you will find Salesforce Connector. So you need to click install. Once it gets installed, click on edit. So this is the interface of the configuration path of this Salesforce connector to establish connection with Salesforce. So now you need to enter the Salesforce credentials over here. You need to enter the Salesforce username, password, and the security token as well. So, and also from the drop down, you need to select enabled. So once you update the details, you need to click on save, and the details will be stored. Further, you will find a notification at the top that you need to upload a WSDL file that will interact with the Salesforce and make the API calls in order to map the details, in order to synchronize the data from Opencart to Salesforce and vice versa. So in the synchronization setting tab, you will find the WSDL option. So you need to upload new WSDL file. So you can go through this blog and you will find the steps how you can generate WSDL file from your Salesforce org. So once you generate the file, click on upload and select the file from your location. You can click on use original file name and click upload. So once it gets uploaded, connection will be established, and further you will find few options at the next section like choose folder and price books and client type as well, that you need to select enterprise. So as of now, as we are getting some error message over here like correct username password, that we need to make sure. So just make sure that you have entered correct username and password. For this error, you can also verify that from the drop down, you need to select the uploaded WSDL file and click on save. So that will help to establish the proper connection. Now it is resolved now. And in the folder option, you will find all the folders available at your Salesforce end. So you can select any folder in which you want to store the images of the products and the categories. And you can select the price books as well if you have created at Salesforce end, and select enterprise, and you can select sync slot number. Like if you select 5, if you can extend this, so all the synchronization will be done in batches. Like if we select 20 over here, so the 20 products or customers or categories will be synchronized in that batches. So this is all about the configuration of this connector. So click on save, and we will further proceed to synchronize customers, categories, products, and orders into Salesforce. So as we have configured Salesforce connector, you will find a new section over here as Salesforce connector. So click on that, it will further drop down all the details. So first we need to sync customers. So click on that. Here you will find option to sync customers, like all customers you want to sync or just enabled customers from your Opencart will be synchronized. So I'm selecting all customers and click on export customer. That will export all the customers from your Opencart to Salesforce. It will start the synchronization process. Once the synchronization gets completed, all the synchronized customers will be listed over here as the customer name, and this is the ID for that customers with all the details. This is the Salesforce customer ID that is generated by the synchronization process, and this icon will display what exactly the status of this synchronized customer is. Like, it will notify that it has been synchronized successfully. It is red mark, then it means that you need to synchronize it again or there is some issue with that, right? So let's proceed at Salesforce end to verify that we have synchronized 3 customers, that is reflecting at that end properly or not. So this is the Salesforce, and I'm just switching from the drop down. We need to click on eShopsync for Opencart. It will take you to that application, and here you will find Opencart Salesforce. So you need to click on that, and this is the starting page of this application. So now as we have synchronized customers, so we will click on sync customers, and as we have synchronized 3 customers, so all the customers are listed over here. So you can select the records per page as well if there are more than 100 or 500 or thousands. So you can list all the, you can directly search any customer from here, and the customer name and industry and phone and type, everything will be displayed over here accordingly. The total records will be shown, and you can click on next from here if you have more than records in that specific page. So in the same way we will synchronize categories and products. So let's proceed for that. So click on sync categories, and here is the option that you want to synchronize all categories, the child one or the parent one, so you can select accordingly. As of now I'm selecting all categories, so click on export categories. It will start the process. So now the synchronization has been completed for categories, so you can check the status of all the categories are check mark, like it is synchronized properly. That is showing the 38 categories that we have that has been synchronized. So let's verify the same at Salesforce end. Click on categories, and over here you will find the category image, category name, the if this is linked to any parent category, so it will be displayed over here, and the description, and also the record per page option, and directly search any category from here. If you want to add any category, so you need to click on the plus icon and it will provide you that option. And the total records, like the total category is 38 that has been synchronized. So this is all about the synchronization of the categories. Let's proceed to verify products. Also there is 2 options, like all product, enable product. So I'm selecting the all product and click on export. So once the product synchronization gets completed, you will find in the same way all the products that has been synchronized. There are 19 products. So let's verify the same. Click on products, and here you will find products with product name, image, the description about that, if it is mapped with any categories, and product SKU with price book that you will select from here. So the price book will be displayed in this option, so you can select the price book and it will be displayed accordingly, and all the categories will be listed over here, so you can check for any specific categories from here. You can search for any product, and also there is option for records per page. You can extend the limit of the records. So this is all about the synchronization of products. There are 19 products over there that has been synchronized. So let's proceed to verify the orders. So now click on sync orders, and click on export orders. So once the synchronization gets completed, 3 orders has been synchronized to Salesforce. So let's verify the same. You can see the 3 orders with order number. This is the Opencart order ID with the account name with which it is mapped with the status of that order and the amount. So also from here you can select if you want to see the Opencart orders only that has been exported from there, or also you can check for Salesforce orders. So this is all about the configuration and synchronization of customers, categories, products, and orders. Let's proceed to verify the documents that we have selected. In the shared documents, we have selected to save all the images of those categories and products. So here you will find all the images, right? So this is all about the synchronization and all. And once you purchase this connector, you will find the zip file that you need to install in the Opencart end. And also you can click on user guide to get all the steps and the blocks related to, like as I have guided to generate the WSDL file. So you will find all the steps in order to configure the connector and go through the synchronization process. So everything is updated over here as well. So thanks a lot for your time. Hope you like this video. Have a great day ahead.